Hello everyone. So today we are going for a Chikmagalur trip. We have booked our cab and Airbnb for a stay there. So we will be leaving by 2 a.m. in the morning. Meanwhile, Harshit Bhaiya is laughing in between. So we can ask like why he's laughing there.
Laughing with a
I'm excited. How you are excited?
sharp beard.
Like what the Swastik Bhaiya is doing. Like I'm not
This is
sure.
our trip graph. Ding, 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 ding.
So you can see how the excitement
If it goes
is.
this way, then we are going to trip.
ये थोड़ा बहुत रात का असर
We
है,
start
नींद
slow,
है.
we go fast, we get more excited, we get more excited when
Now it depends on the time.
Okay, guys. So it seems we are get boring content there. Let's forget these things. Come to our side. So we have cab at 2 a.m. We will depart from Bangalore from our PG, and then in 4 and 5 hours we will be in Chikmagalur in middle. Oh, is it correct now?
Midnight.
Guys, so we are heading towards Chikmagalur with राजीव भैया, हर्षित भैया और स्वास्तिक भैया आगे जाके इंचार्ज बन चुके हैं गाड़ी के.
और पीछे बैठा है
पीछे
आयुष वासने सही
हाँ, जो
से
कि-
स्वास्तिक या हाय कम
So let's start the trip.
यस
Yeah, we are.
स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द ट्रिप
So these people are trying to sleep in between. These he
यस
don't-
ब्रो यस नाउ व्हाट इज व्हाट इज स्लीप लेट्स डिफाइन स्लीप
Now you can see the.
He identify as sleep.
यस
Now you can see
सो
what the
स्लीप
feeling
व्हाट
in
वी डू
between.
वी क्लोज आवर आईज एंड वी डू
Hello guys. So we had took a small break in nearby some toll, and you can see a person with his personality. People coming across his. So you can see a good weather around it in the early morning. There is a sunrise will be done in some times, but we have to wait where the sunrise will come. In between we can see me and Harshit were just chilling out in near toll, and you can see these people are trying to take some photos, but don't know they will get or not. What on they are looking as they are a celebrity, but they are not. Okay. Hello guys, so finally we have reached to our Airbnb. It looks very pretty nice, like you can see with those entries. So if you want some any details you can comment out. Like you can see they have given some temple with all kitchen areas and everything we have. But the major problem we get through this, that's you can see now it's an Indian toilet without jet spray, so it's a bit difficult for us to do entertainment. So only in one room we have English toilet. So there's a fighting among all of us that who can stay in which room and where. So we have decided all will do what.
that Munish will sleep in the couch over there.
Okay, and I will do Hagna idhar.
Yeah, you can do it. But me and
And so
Ashley will-
what's your plan for a night? You will do what?
we will do a bit chat. I would say
Chat.
I'll talk with my girlfriend. of course.
So what he will.
I will just sleep normally. I wanted to have a good sleep.
But I will not have him a good sleep because I'll talk a bit loud.
So it's up to you, like how you will manage all of us. So we have welcomed with a high rain, good weather. So we have Harshit bhai over there. So you have got this room. That how's your feeling that you have got an Indian? First ask, listen, question, man. Like you have, what's your expectation with this Airbnb and how you feel? How it is good or bad?
It is very good.
So, but the main problem is that we have one Indian toilet there.
That you are using, I am using Western
So,
toilet.
okay, so like let's suppose everyone got pressure, 2% or 3%. Like then in emergency, who will go in Indian toilet?
There will be a test.
Test. Okay, guys. So we will come soon accordingly. Let's see what the Swastik Bhaiya is doing sign over there. Okay, he's filling some entries. So Swastik Bhaiya, what's your say over this Airbnb? And we are.
Now it is good. No more surprises so far. Yeah.
Mulyangiri Peak,
ले लो.
and you can see the beauty here and there.
Here and there and where and where.
Full greenery here and there, and with me, Harshit bhai and Ayush again. They
Yes.
come with eating after dosa, which they don't like.
दिखा ले कौन बैठा छत पे.
सामने आ रहा मित्र. We will cover some more.
कितने किलोमीटर का और बता रहे हैं?
So hello everyone. So we are heading towards the Mulyangiri Peak with Baba Budai Peak also, but there are lots of traffic in between, so we have to stop in between. You can see how a natural good beauty is there. You can see lots of mountains and clouds over there. So we are in clouds. We are going to Baba Budangiri Peak.
बादल नीचे रहे.
So it's a lots of traffic in between. It's taking too much time for us to reach in Baba Budangiri Hills. You can see people are waiting here and there. And it's too much cloud. So if you can see, so
You can see us.
are very tired.
No, we are not tired.
Yeah, so like we are
We
very
are storing
tired.
our energy. See, there is a difference between storing energy and being tired. Okay?
Okay.
And see, we are in the middle of the clouds. That's a very beautiful. Yeah, see, scenario.
Hello guys, so we have reached to the Baba Budangiri Peak, and now we are heading towards a random waterfalls which we don't know, but people knows. Let's see, there is too much sun, but for you we will go.
Manikanandan Hills. We are going Manikanandan waterfalls.
Oh, you know, and you know,
Yes,
yes.
yes. We have to just walk 3 kilometers and we will reach our destination.
So see the view, the house, road condition here and there. Rajiv, what do you want to say? So we have reached 7,670 feet to above the ground. So we have around 7,670 kilometers feet above from the ground. There you can see we are in the clouds. There is nothing you can see apart from cloud here and there. So Harshit bhai, what's your say about this? How you are feeling about coming after 7,670 feet above?
Feeling very nice.
No yaar, you being my... Give some content bro.
Yeah, bro, what content you want? We are feeling like we have reached the upper limit of the mountain.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. So Rajiv bhai, what do you want to say? Hey, please say something. Hello guys, so we are heading towards Malikadhara waterfalls. We have this all this wind you can see behind, it's full of clouds. No sound is coming anywhere. So we have booked a jeep to go the waterfalls. You can see the roads. How bad is the road? सब पकड़ के रहना भैया पीछे. पकड़ लो भाई, वो पकड़ लेगा. Hello guys, so we have reached to the waterfalls. That we will later know you the name. What is the name? So here's one part. We have booked one jeep to come there. That they charge 1,000 rupees to reach there from Baba Budangiri Peak. Let's see how's the.
We charge you higher, but after you bargain, then you can
Yeah, so there are 1,500 is asking in first.
So, although we have covered half kilometer trek,
Yeah. So let's just pass foreign waterfalls. So let's see how is it. ये पैसे लेगा क्या waterfalls देखने के? Waterfalls का टिकट लेगा.
टिकट ले रहा है.
वो waterfalls है ना. So this.
ये दिखा ना, यही तो बता देंगे.
हाँ तो दे देंगे. हाँ.
टूटे नहीं. अरे मतलब इतने तो है कि हो जाएगा. है तेरे पास?
Let's see then. 25 रुपीज़ है ना।
बिना बोले मतलब मनीष रोज सादा भी बना दिया।
हाँ वो तो उसको रोक लेता हूँ। Guys, we have reached the Mulyangiri peak. You can see a fog level at there also. It's high, and you can see there's a temple of Shankarji's building isn't currently in progress state. And we see that we have to do trekking without these jeeps. Let's we are starting our trek from here. We will show something in betweens. What are things are there and here. See, some people are going upstairs. We also need to search where we want to go and what we need to do. So let's see. And currently we have one problem with us. We want to go to the washroom but we don't know where it
अरे
is.
ये पता नहीं किसे कहते हैं।
ये सब बताएंगे भाई। It should be very neutral vlog, everything to be mentioned. Let's be us,
And,
let's see
And we
where we will go and see that trekking and everything.
and we don't want our audience to be feel like that we are not.
चढ़ जाएंगे।